Hey there, it's Brittany and I'm back with an unboxing video from Chelsea's Beads. I haven't shopped with Chelsea's in a long time, and part of that is because they have really high shipping prices, and that's not a bad thing because I feel like small businesses need to charge the right amount of shipping. However, I don't want to pay that amount of shipping a lot of the time. So sometimes I just window shop a lot there, but this time I bit the bullet because they had some strands that I really wanted. They had some that were all $5 each, and I grabbed a few, and this is actually two separate orders, so they got me twice. Here are some Carnelian Doughnuts. So super cute. I actually really like how they're strung, so I'm going to probably do something like that. These are red agate donuts, or dyed red agate. They had a couple other colors. I think they had a yellow and a bright orange. And then I got green onyx. I just love that green color. It's so nice. And then I've been eyeing these, and unfortunately they didn't have the color combo that I really wanted for the $5 sale, but maybe one day they will. These are half rounds, and I just think that's so cool, and they're not glued together, but you absolutely could. Although one side sees the rose quartz seems to be just a smidge larger than the red jasper, but I just love this half round, and the color combo that I really wanted was the red jasper and black, but I didn't see it, so I got these. I don't have to use them together, but I can. And then these are, I think, aventurine and like dyed jade, whatever they call it. It's like quartz. So a green and a yellow. And then they have some really nice rondelles, puffy rondelles. I love these. I can't remember the name of this. I'm going to have to look that up. Some kind of jasper, I think. These are Mica Quartz. So these are called Mica Quartz. Pretty cool. Almost looks like a weird, like, rocky road or a concrete mix or something. These they caught my eye. I've never seen anything like that. They called them Lotus Jasper, but when I looked up Lotus Jasper, it really looked like sesame jasper or kiwi jasper. And then I kept looking because I really wanted to know what this was and maybe potentially find some other beads that look like this. And I found Peace Jasper. So I think this is actually Peace Jasper. And the reason why it drew my eye is because there's a little bit of purple in here with the green and the cream, and I was just like, that is so cool. I don't really see like purples, like actual purples and jaspers. So yeah, I when I did my research, it looked like this is Peace Jasper and not Lotus. But if you find different information, go with Lotus. Then I got some Lapis. So I got these like rough coins. This was $5. These were huge. These are really heavy, and you can see the pyrite throughout. They're matte, and I just love them. I think they're so fantastic for a more ethnic or rustic look. I just think they're so cool. Now, these I probably wouldn't make earrings out of because they are hefty, but certainly a statement necklace or a statement bracelet. Aren't those cool? And then last but not least from this order, these are Lapis little skulls, and I was just like enthralled when I looked at them. They're so cool. They actually look more like animal skulls than like human skulls, maybe like a monkey or a caveman or a gorilla or something, because they're so wide and the eye sockets are so wide set. But look at the pyrite throughout that lapis. I'm just so pleased as punch to get these. I think I want to use one as a closure, like a button on a bracelet. But then, I mean, I still am going to have 7 more. Yeah, because there were 8 for $5. Yeah, these are, I'm kind of going to hoard some of these, but I definitely want to use at least one on a bracelet. Then, so that was all the first order. Then the second one came out, and I was like, oh, dang it. But I'm on a bead freeze-ish right now, so I probably won't be shopping with them unless I see something that, like, knocks my socks off. But these are so cool. They're faux Z beads. I hadn't seen anything like this before. These are acrylic, and they're huge. And look, they have some chatoyancy. They kind of glow in there a little bit. and they're just like printed on the beads. Some of them are a little more rustic than the others, but they're huge. I think I would use these in conjunction with some maybe African glass Ashanti beads, and maybe just make this the focal. I don't know. These are so cool. So cool. And when I got them, I was like, those are cool when I opened them up. And then these, I've actually bought these separately from Lori Matson, and I hadn't ever seen them online before, and I found some. I don't know if they still have them, but these are these are horn beads with brass inlay, and I was like shocked. I was shocked when I saw them on their website. So I got 2 strands because I don't want to use the ones I have because then I'll be out of them. I got some wood beads. I think I wouldn't buy these again. Not that they aren't they're very cool, but I just feel like I have a lot of wood beads. Oh, this is $48. So that's a good deal since I got them for $5. But they're carved. I think they're beautiful, but I'm just thinking like I was maybe in like bead zone, bead spending zone, and I probably wouldn't buy those again. I got some vintage. I think they're vintage, but some people just slap that name on beads these days. Fiori covered glass beads, and these are orange, green, and black. Now, I don't know if I would get this colorway again. I'm not a huge fan of the green in there now that I'm looking at them with the orange. However, I think they're still great. These are probably going to go with some African beads or something, or maybe even Halloween. But I don't know. Looking at them now, knowing what I know, I don't know that I'd buy them again just because of that green in there. But I got the same beads as the last strand, the same beads in red, black, and white, and I love them without that green in there. So I think if the green was missing, I would be very happy. Oh, here's one. This one got a little mixed up, but I just love the black, white, and red together. So anyway, my favorites were the skulls, the very large faux Z beads, and these black, red, and white beads with a side of these lapis beads. So, I loved everything, but those were my favorites. Let me know what you think, and I hope you have a good day. Stay tuned for Goldie. She's super cute. Bye-bye. She's always got to be touching me while she's sleeping. She's got her butt on me. That's usually the part that she has to have on me while she's sleeping. Hi. Hi, yeah, I'm talking to you. She's like, oh, she's got the camera out again. Hi, Goldie. Yeah, it's almost night time. Mommy's editing your video. Look at you. You're so cute. She's my little fox dog. Sometimes she looks like a fox. Hi, Goldie. We love you.